Hello everyone, we are 5th semester student majoring in tourism at the Sekolah Tinggi Pariwisata Bogor. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Adalah with two of my friends. On the right,
my name is Nana Bagawandasari.
And on the left,
my name is Lesdimat.
Spaghetti aglio olio is a food made from garlic and oil is the main ingredients. As the name suggests, aglio means garlic and olio means oil. It's a traditional Italian dish, specifically from Naples. The characteristic of this pasta is its minimally seasoning with garlic, oil, salt, and dried chili. Besides that, it can be mixed with other toppings such as the shrimp, chicken, tuna, or smoked beef. Without further ado, let's make spaghetti aglio olio, continued by my friend Hana Putri.
Ingredients-nya ini they are spaghetti, oil, onion has been chopped, mushroom has been chopped, smoked beef has been chopped, and dried chilies, sugar, salt, black pepper, chicken broth, oregano leaf, tomato cherries, and parsley has been chopped. Now we are ready spaghetti aglio olio. We'll serve and ready to eat. Bye bye. Thank you.